Hi, I am Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about string function, that is the continuations of already discussed string functions. So in my last previous slides we have discussed about what is mean by string, what are the literals is present in the string, and how we are going to represent the strings data here. So we always know that string is always ended with the end of the string is always indicated with the /0. So here we are going to discuss about how we are going to give the input. So use the percentage s field to specification in the scanf to all the string data to be read. So ignore if the white spaces are already there. Reads characters until the next white space is encountered. That is, white space is nothing but the space between two characters. So it always stores the null value of after the spaces of the characters. Reads the input data into the array. It may be of maybe we can use the before the name or array of the name is making array of the pointer may be specified. So here the example is character name of 11. So here it going, the name is the variable, it going to store the 11 letters into the variable of name. So by through the scanf statement I am going to print the name. So here I am using the percentage s for printing the data. Percentage s is specifying the string data it going to print by the variable of name. Okay, what is the problem it going to contain is no limit on number of characters to be read. So here there is no limiter is specified. Here too many number of characters for an array is there. So there may be a problem will occur in the statement. So next we can use the with value in the field specification to limit the number of characters read. So here I may specify the number of characters to be read from the particular variable name. Character name of 11. So here the scanf percentage s 10. So I am specifying the instead of percentage yes I am specifying number of characters to be read percentage 10 yes. Here the 10 characters going to read from the variable of name. So here there is no need to here remember that you need one space for /0. So at the end of the string going to add /0, so which should be 1 less than the size of an array index. So strings shorter than the field specifications are read normally, but C is always stops after reading the 10 character. So how we are going to edit the input text document. So here the list of characters specifies the set of characters which is called as a scan set. Characters read as long as a character falls in the scan set. Stops when when first non-scan set characters encountered. Note does not ignore leading white spaces. Any characters may be specified except the bracket. Putting up a modulus symbol, that is the power of symbol at the start to negate the set of any characters, but it is list is not allowed here. So for example, in the scanf statement we can specify percentage. So here plus minus numbers comma numbers value may be specified. So here in the second line it going to specify read the data until the new line is occur. So this is the explanations of the scanf percentage /n comma line. So here that in the when the /n, that is the new line, indicates until that the data will be read. So this is the read option. So here what is the output? So it is the input. Here the what is the output for that? So we can use the printf statement to print the output here. So characters in the strings printed until the /0 encountered. Character name of 10 is equal to rich. Printf percentage yes comma name. So it going to print the value of rich in the rich. It is going to extract from the variable of name. We can use the with value to print the string functions. So we can use the flag to left justifying the data to be print. So the example for here, So here I am going to get the input data. So it going to enter your name, last name and the first name. So it going to store the last name and the first name with the size of 11 characters. Sorry, 11 characters. So here in the scan of percentage 10s comma percentage of power of symbol comma percentage 10s, the last name and the first name. Print of nice to meeting you is the first name and the last name. So here in this way only we are going to get the input data from input, and we are going to print the data to the users. So in this video we have discussed about how we are going to read the input data and how we are going to print the input data. Okay, in my next video we are going to discuss about string functions. Thank you.